Welcome. This is Imtiaz Sayed and I am the creator of Founder. It is a project management tool allowing for effective management of your own projects and communication between your teams. With our current operation, Founder allows you to create tasks, add members, upload shared documents and more. We also use AI to allow you to create diagrams and also prompt it about your work for quick documentation. Let's quickly get started by signing in. Just like that, your account on Founder has been created with a hassle-free sign-in with Google. This will take you to your home page where you can now add organizations. Let's create your first organization. Here, you can add your organization name or your company name or maybe even your personal name if you don't belong to any organization. Let's quickly select our color code and let's move on. Now you can see that your organization is created. Let's go inside and now you can see your projects as well. Here, you will create your first project. Let's add a test project here for demonstration. The same process as organization. There. Now the project is getting saved. As you can see, the test project is now created. Once you click and go inside, you can now see all the insights and all important information in the home section. We will now start by using the task module. Let's quickly create a new task. Here, this will be a test task. You can mark the status of the task, the priority, and also its due date. And here you can assign it to one of the members. Currently, we are the only member, so we have to assign it to ourselves. For the description, we provide a block editor. Here, you can add different types of styling for your text. Let's save the task, and now it should reflect here. Here, you can perform various operations on your tasks. Let's view the task first. This is your view for each task. Alright, let's go back to our task list. Here, we can edit all the details right from the table itself, provided we are the assigner. That means if you have assigned the lead to somebody or you are the leader of the project, only then can you modify these details. So you can change all the details right here. You can even edit your task. Here, so now you can even edit any details that you want and they will be updated for everyone. You will also send a notification to the assignee of this task. But since we are the assignee, we won't be getting any message. You can even leave remarks in case somebody has said that they've completed a task, but it is not up to the mark, for example. So you can write certain comments on it. Tasks that have been added can also be deleted in case you have made a mistake. You can even filter these tasks when they are in a large amount to quickly find your tasks. By default, they are ordered in a way that you see your most important tasks first. You can even refresh your page to check the new tasks. Let us move to the document section. Here you can upload an external URL, even a YouTube link, or upload local files from your computer. Let us now move on to the design section of our project. Let's create the first design. This tool can be quickly used to draw out ideas in your head for structuring systems and creating small-scale diagrams to follow and build your applications. It will help in visually communicating your thoughts amongst your team. These designs can be accessed, shared, and modified by anyone on your team. This is just a simple demonstration of how this tool can work. Once you have created your diagram, you can quickly save this diagram by giving it a name. Let's call this test design and save the design. Now, as you can see, your design has been successfully created. You can either delete your design or edit it. Let's move on to the team module. Here, you can build your team. Currently, we have just one member and that is the team lead. Here, you'll see your invitations and here you can add your members. Let me search for my name and add another account. So I can invite either of them. I've sent an invite to Imtiaz Sayed work. If the user accepts our invite, they will be a part of our team. Let's check out the report section. To effectively use Founder AI, you should have some information about your project stored on our system. You can even generate diagrams using prompts. Please read the instructions really carefully before using to avoid wasting prompts. In this window, I am logged in with Imtiaz Sayed work, to which we had previously sent an invite to our project. We can accept the invite or reject it. Let's accept it. This will take me to the project's insights. On the previous account, we will now be able to see that Imtiaz Sayed has accepted the project invite. Let's take a look at the team. As you can see, now the team member has been added. We can either promote them or delete them. I have now switched to the Imtiaz Sayed work account, where I have managed Founder itself. Here, I can effectively show you the capabilities of the artificial intelligence tools. Let's go into Founder. As you can see, in the Founder project, we have analytics which will provide us with overall insight about our projects. Let's move on to our tasks. Here, I have all the tasks I have used to create Founder itself. Now, let's take a look at reports based on our tasks. You get 3 prompts for our free trial, and you can get additional prompts at a reasonable price. Let's go back to reports. Now, let's ask it a simple question about my project. Please read all the instructions really carefully. Let's ask it to give me a detailed explanation of all the tools and technologies in this project. Now, let's hit generate. Give it a second. Here, now we have a description about all the tools used in our project. These are exactly the tools that I have used to build this project. All the integrations, all the additional functionality, everything is here. In a matter of seconds, it has summarized every tool and technology used in this project. As you can see, we have 2 prompts left now. You can even view your previous prompts here. Let's now move on to diagrams. Let's ask it to generate a class diagram for my project. Please read all the instructions carefully. As you can see, it is generating our diagram. There, our diagram is now generated. Within a matter of seconds, it has generated this diagram and also given us the code that we can use to modify it. Take a look at this design. This is exactly the structure of my project. Now we can give it a name and we can save this diagram. Diagrams are not automatically saved. As you can see, there is just 1 prompt left for our free trial. You can even view the previous diagrams that you have saved. Only if you save a diagram will it appear here. You can effortlessly download this image as well. These can be directly pasted into your projects. You can even copy the code for this diagram here, take it back to our Mermaid code generator, and there paste it. And now once again get back your diagram. You can play around with your code and see how that affects your diagram. In such a way, you can edit your diagrams. You can modify it and see what effects it is having on your diagram. Once you modify it, you can once again save it. Let's go back to home. These insights give us a clear idea on how our project is working. It can even be filtered via member. In such a way, we can see the individual tasks and individual data of each member. Let's just take a look at these small things. Here you can check your invitations and your notifications. You can even clear your notifications and use the help icon to go check what features we have. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know if you find this tool useful. This is Founder.